Making major decisions in life can be challenging, but there are several things you can do to make the process easier. Identify your values. Before making a decision, think about what is most important to you. Consider your goals, priorities, and beliefs. This can help you make a decision that aligns with your values. Gather information. Do your research and gather as much information as possible about the decision you need to make. Talk to experts, read articles, and consult with people who have experience in the area. Weigh the pros and cons. Make a list of pros and cons of each option you are considering. This can help you see the potential benefits and drawbacks of each choice. Consider the long-term implications. Think about how each decision could affect your life in the long term. Will it help you achieve your goals, or will it lead to problems down the road? Trust your instincts. Sometimes your gut instincts can guide you in the right direction. Pay attention to your feelings and intuition and don't ignore them. Seek advice, talk to friends, family members, or a professional counselor or coach to get a different perspective on the decision you are facing. Remember that making decisions takes time and effort, and it's okay to take a step back and reflect before making a final choice. By using these strategies, you can approach major decisions with confidence and clarity.